Why do the stars twinkle? Stars twinkle because of atmospheric refraction. When the light from the stars reach the atmosphere of Earth, the medium is changed. The light enters from the vacuum into the atmosphere, and whenever the medium is changed, refraction takes place. But as the density of air changes with time, the angle of refraction also keeps changing. And because of that, sometimes the light after bending can reach our eyes and sometimes it cannot. But why does the planets do not twinkle? It is because of the distance. The planets are close to our Earth, whereas the stars are very far away. You can understand it by the following example. Let's suppose you want to go from point A to point B, but in the beginning there is a slight deflection. If the points A and B are close together, then that deflection will not take you very far away. But if A and B are far apart, then you will be very far away from your actual destination. Therefore, the stars twinkle as they are far away and the planets do not twinkle as they are very close because there is not much deflection. Do you know how the fish see the world? Have you seen the fish eye view? I guess you must have, because there is a filter of fish eye view in many cameras. The reason behind the fish eye view again is the refraction of light, as you can see in the diagram. One of the most important application of total internal reflection is in optical fibers. I guess you must have seen the optical fibers. At our house, optical fibers can be like this, but the most important application of optical fibers is in transmitting the data. Do you know how does the internet connection is provided to the whole world? There are huge optical fiber cables at the seabed which connects the various continents. There are physical optical fiber cables that connect the continents. Although the optical fiber in the cable is very thin, but for their protection, there are various protective layers on it and therefore it becomes very bulky. In the optical fiber, the light is entered at an angle which is greater than the critical angle, and because of that, total internal reflection can take place and the light can never exit the optical fiber. You must have seen that when some sun rays enter from a small hole, dust particles appear to be floating. Or when you are on a road where there is a lot of dust, in the absence of street light, you can see the dust particles floating in air through the light of the headlight. The phenomena of scattering by colloidal particles is the Tyndall effect. What is a shadow? When we or anything blocks the light, a black region where the light rays cannot reach is known as shadow. An interesting question to ask here is that what is the weight of the shadow? Shadow is the absence of light. The light waves have momentum and apply small pressure on the surface. So if light is incident on something, the weight of the object is more. So when the shadow is there, then because of the absence of light, the weight of the object is the actual force of gravity on it. What is the reason behind the early sunrise and late sunset? When the sun is about to rise, it is below the horizon of the earth. But as you can see in the diagram, because of atmospheric refraction, the light rays coming from the sun, which is below the horizon, gets bent towards our eyes. And again, as we assume that light always travels in straight line, we think that the sun is along that particular line. So we see the sun even if it is below the horizon. This is called early sunrise, and similar thing happens at sunset. Sun goes below the horizon, but instead of it getting disappeared, we can still see the sun because the light rays coming from the sun gets refracted towards our eyes. Only when the sun is far below the horizon, we stop seeing it.